Welcome to my famous, creative, innovative, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning up till now, such as face detection through web, then we have seen facial emotion recognition using web. We have also seen face recognition, facial emotion recognition from image with image classification graph through web. We have also seen age and gender detection through web. Then we have seen using Python multi-class image classification using CNN. We have seen food classification using TensorFlow using Python. Then we have seen image classification with CIFAR10. We have seen image recognition through ResNet 50 library and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about face recognition through web. We have seen face detection through web. Now we are going to see face recognition through web. So let us go through the main Python file. app.py. This is main file. Haar-cascade is required for digital image recognition through a webcam. Now I will execute the program. Yes, face start. Now yes, face is recognized. Yes, fine. Now I will close. I can stop, I can start. Yes, so I successfully done with face recognition using web. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, using TensorFlow, Keras, CNN, convolutional neural network, using a different data set. We have seen image classification image classification. We have also seen food classification and many more. If possible, I will be back with more creative videos on one stack, full stack, Python. Thanks for watching.